Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete your Gmail account, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete your Gmail account, guys, first open up your Gmail app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the account on which you want to delete your Gmail. So after logging into your Gmail account over here, guys, you can see your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen and this kind of interface will appear, and under the current logged in account of your Gmail app, guys, you can see there's the Google account button over here. Tap on the Google account button over here and this kind of interface will appear. Now we'll be required to tap on the data and privacy option over here just beside the personal info. Tap on data and privacy and this kind of interface will appear where we'll be required to scroll down until we can find the delete your account option over here. And you can see, guys, the way more we scroll down, there is the delete your Google account at the bottom of the screen. So scroll down to the bottom of the screen on this interface, tap on delete your Google account and this kind of interface will appear. Tap on continue, and when you land on this interface, guys, you can see it says please read this carefully. It's not the usual yada yada, and make sure to go through all of these things. Since I've already read it, guys, I won't be rereading it, but in your case please read it and scroll down. And you can see, guys, the terms and agreements Google wants in order to delete your account. Tap on the empty boxes at the left side of these acknowledgements and tap on the delete account button over here at the bottom right corner, and then go through the procedure and then the account will be deleted momentarily. And that being said, guys, this is how you'll be able to delete your Gmail account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.